So Mama Kitty caught a mouse. She getting down on its bad self. Britt, look how yummy this looks. Yum. It's its stomach.
Can we eat it or what?
Oh yeah, she'll eat it. She's like, look, Mackenzie. She's like, that's a yummy morsel. See, look, there she goes. Oh no, she don't want the stomach. Are you done with it? Nope. She's gonna chew that thing. Hey, kitty mama, is it good? Chloe. So the front half of the mouse is gone. What are you growling for? I'm not going to take
Are
it.
you growling?
A little bit. Chloe. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Ooh. Look, there's the leg and the tail. You see it hanging out of her mouth? Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Mackenzie, do you want me to fix you a mouse for dinner? Are you sure? No wonder she's gaining weight.